everybody, it's Crazy Aunt Lindsay. This is Olivia, and this is a light bulb. This little cutie is super important. As a matter of fact, some people think it's the most important invention in human history. Can you guess why?
No, why?
Well, you see, before light bulbs were invented, we had to rely on open and contained flames for light at night, so we could do things like cook, read, do homework, or just keep the boogeyman at bay. It wasn't that safe, and without light, period, we wouldn't be able to do a lot of things, or at least it would just take a lot longer when the sun went down.
Vocabulary. Inventor. An inventor is a person who thinks up new ideas for products, processes, and things for the first time. It makes them real by either drawing them up or creating a prototype. For some people, it's an actual job.
Most people think that Thomas Edison invented the light bulb, and that's only kind of true. The truth is, there's a lot going on inside this little bugger, and it took a lot of great minds to come together and help it come to life. Now, the most important element that Edison struggled with in getting his invention off the ground was keeping the light bulb glowing for longer than a few minutes without blowing out, and making the price of it less expensive. The fix? The carbon filament. The carbon filament made it possible for light bulbs to be turned on and off a bunch of times, last a super long time, and was much less expensive, so cities and everyday people could use them in their everyday life. Enter Lewis Latimer, the inventor of the carbon filament. Lewis Latimer was born on Beyonce's birthday in 1848 in Chelsea, Massachusetts. Fast forward a few years and he got a job as an office and errand boy at a Boston patent office. There, he became so mesmerized by the meticulous work of the engineers that in his spare time, he taught himself the highly technical skill of mechanical drawing and drafting. He became so good at this that Alexander Graham Bell hunted him down and asked him to drop the original plans on his submission of the telephone. Hello, it's me. Lewis was soon promoted to head draftsman at his office and was offered all kinds of jobs all over the country, including one very special job at Thomas Edison's electrical company in New Jersey, where I am from. He was Edison's only black inventor ever on staff, inventing not just the carbon filament, but also designing and patenting the original design for the electric lamp, as well as quite a few other things, and even literally wrote the book on electric lighting.
Vocabulary. Patent. A patent is a document that helps inventors have control over their inventions. It prevents other people from copying or selling the design without permission.
To learn more about electricity and the perfect project to help bring these facts to life, check out my Fab Lab Lemon Light Bulb project linked here. Okay, so now we've got 2, 4, 6 lemons and a 7th grapefruit, and now we're gonna see if we have enough power to make our LED light bulb work.
That is awesome! No, mine!
It's mine!
Mine!
Girl, I'm crazy. Oh, hi guys! To learn more about black inventors and scientists in history, make sure you check out my free printable by signing up for the Fab Lab newsletter below. Thank you so much for joining me today, guys. We were in the Fab Lab and we learned about the light bulb today. Bye!